structure adaptation mean part of body or structure. When I saw structure or part of adaptation, that means structure adaptation. Okay, what's meant by behavioral? Behavioral mean act or behavior. Behavior that the animal do in habitat or in environment. Okay. Now we will talk about some example. Uh, some example of animal in different habitat or in different environment. In each animal, I will talk about the habitat of each animal and the adaptation, behavioral or structure adaptation. Okay, the first animal we have polar bear. Polar bear live in Arctic region. Okay, what is the habitat of polar bear? Arctic region. Okay, what is the adaptation of polar bear? It has white thick fur. White thick fur give reason the polar bear has white thick fur. Um, it has white fur to blend with environment because the polar bear live in ice. And it has thick fur to keep body warm. So the answer is it give reason polar bear has white thick fur to keep body warm and to blend with environment. The second animal brown and dark bear. Brown and dark bear live in forest and it has dark fur. So the adaptation of brown and dark bear, it has dark fur. Why or give reason the brown bear has dark fur? To blend among a tree because it live in forest. The third animal, crackle and fennec fox. The crackle and fennec fox live in desert, so it has sandy or tan color fur, like yellow color. Okay, it has sandy or tan fur, give reason to blend with environment. Okay, the fourth animals, lizard. Lizard live in desert between colorful rocks. Okay, so it has colorful scales. Why? Because it live in colorful rocks to blend with colorful rocks. Okay. um, we will talk about we talked about polar bear, brown and dark bear, crackle and fennec fox, and the lizard. In each animal, we talked about habitat and the adaptation. The second animal we have bull shark. Bull shark live in salt and the fresh water. Okay, in this animal we will talk about the structure and the behavior. I said before, the structure adaptation part of body, but the behavior, it's like act or behavior the animal do in the environment or in habitat. The structure adaptation in bull shark, it has dark back and white belly as was shown in this figure. Give reason. The bull shark has dark dark back and white belly to hunt food. Okay. The second one, it has sharp teeth to eat prey like small fish. Okay, what is meant by prey? الفود of bull shark. Food of bull shark mean preys. Okay, that the animal eats. Okay, so dark back and wide belly, part of bull shark. Sharp teeth, part of bull shark. So it is structural adaptation, not behavioral adaptation. So what is the behavior adaptation in bull shark? It's the behavior adaptation or البيهيفير or الact that the bull shark do. It hunt in salt and fresh water. Number one. Number two, it hunt in day and night, so can't predict hunt time. So the question, give reason the bull shark or the another animal that live in salt and fresh water can predict the hunt time, because the bull shark hunt in day and at night. Okay. The third animal we have Arctic fox. The Arctic fox live in tundra. Tundra, it is a cold desert, cold tundra. The Arctic fox has structure adaptation and behavior adaptation. Structure adaptation, it has thick fur. So give reason the Arctic fox has thick fur. Why? To keep its body warm or to help it stay warm, as we say in polar bear and the penguin. Okay. The second one, it has white fur in winter, brown in summer. White fur in winter, brown in summer. Why? To hide or to blend or to make camouflage from prey in any season. Okay. Number three, it has short ears and leg. Why it has short ears and leg? To help it stay warm. Number two, two strengths. The sense of hearing for hunting. Why? What is meant by strengths? Strengths, it has a strong sense of hearing for hunting. Okay, that is the structure adaptation. Why? Thick fur, short ears and leg, it is part of body. So the type of this adaptation is structure adaptation. Number two, behavior adaptation, it eat different kind of food. For example, insect, fruits, plant root, prey, um, prey remain, or any type of food. Okay. Why? Give reason the Arctic fox eat insect, fruits, plant root, or any type of food, because it's hard to find food in its habitat. So it eat any different food or any kind of food in this habitat. So it is act or behavior that the Arctic fox do in this environment. So the type of this adaptation is behavior adaptation. Thank you, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.